Hello all, welcome to session 49 of CSharp.net training series. In this session, I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate collecting user input using readline method. Let me answer. When I run this program, during the runtime while the program is running, I would like to collect the input from the user. Okay, I would like to take one input from the user. How to do that? In order to do that, we have to use readline method. How to use readline method? Here inside the main method, I'll be writing console.readline. Okay. When I write this statement, this particular statement is going to collect the input from the user in the form of which format? In the form of string format. Okay. So the input from the user during runtime will be collected from user in the form of string format, and that string format will be returned. Here I'll say string, let's say name. Okay. I'm collecting the name of the user. And here I would like to print that name. Whatever the name I receive as an input from the user during the runtime, that name I'm printing here. Okay. I'll say welcome. I'll just add some text here. Welcome plus name. Welcome plus name. Okay. So if I run this code, in a while, we'll get this prompt. You see, here the cursor is blinking. That means it's asking for the input. We don't know what it's asking for. Okay. This program is not user friendly yet. Okay. This program is not user friendly yet. By looking at this prompt, I don't understand what I have to do here as a user. Whether I have to give input or not, I'm not able to understand. So what I will do here is, here before collecting the input from the user, I'll display a message, a print message using console.WriteLine statement. I'll display a message to the user to enter his or her name. Okay, console.WriteLine, enter your name. Okay, enter your name. Like this, if I give a WriteLine statement, print statement, what happens? During the runtime, this particular message will be printed. By looking at this statement, we'll try to input some our name or something. Okay, in the string format, it will be collected and stored in the string format, and that is getting printed like welcome name. Okay, now run this code. This time it will be more user friendly. You see, it's asking for enter your name. By looking at this text, can understand that you have to enter your name. So I'll enter my name, Arun Moturi, press enter. What happens? Welcome Arun Moturi. Whatever the name that is collected got printed in the output, right? So this is how we can receive the input from the user. Okay, during the runtime, we can receive the input from the user using the readline method. What if you want to receive not string format? Okay, integer format. Okay, let's say you want to let's say collect the experience of the user. Okay, here a name of the user you collected. Similarly, you want to collect the experience of the user. General experience of the user will be or current salary of the user or whatever it is. Okay, so let's write something here. Console.WriteLine, enter your salary. Okay, current salary. Enter your current salary like this. Okay, and here I'll say console.readline. This will collect in the form of the salary also is a integer format, but it will be by default collected in string format. So here string only will come, but I want that in integer. Can I say int current salary like this? It's not possible. Okay, it's not possible, guys. See, readline is returning you string, but you are storing into the integer. That is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to convert this. Okay, we have to convert this. How? We have to say int dot. The previous session explained about parse, right? Parse, surround that with circular brackets. That's it. Okay, whatever the string format you receive, that will be converted to integer, and that need to be stored here. Int. I think this should work. Int current salary. No, it's not coming. Int dot parse should return int. What is the problem here? Let me check. Int x is equal to int dot parse of console.readline. I think this is correct only, but still okay, fine. We'll put it here. Then I'll say console.WriteLine current salary. Let's see what is the problem. Let's run the code and see what is the problem. The error is gone actually. There are build errors. Say no. What is that build error? Expected semicolon. Where is that? Okay, here is a semicolon expected. That's what is the problem. Okay, fine. And let me run it now. Enter your name. I'll enter my name as Arun Moturi. Press enter. Enter your current salary. Let's say 12 lakhs. Not my real salary, just dummy salary. Okay, 12 lakhs is being entered. So I can do some operations here, guys. Okay, so your present salary. Okay, your salary after hike. Okay, is equal to plus current salary plus, let's say, 10 lakhs. Very big hike. Okay, run this code. Enter your name, Arun Moturi. Enter your current salary. Let's say 12 lakhs. Your salary after hike is 22 lakhs. Okay, so like this, you can collect the input in the form of integer by first receiving this in the form of string, but converting that into integer. If it is convertible, it can be converted. Okay, if this is convertible, it can be converted. Okay, so this how, guys, we can collect the user input using readline method in C#. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to cover another C#.NET topic for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.